This video will demonstrate dilating a figure in the coordinate plane. First, let's look at the coordinate rule for dilations. Here we have image P, which is located at, or pre-image P, which is located at x, y. So if we're going to dilate this image, this pre-image, centered about the origin 0, 0, with a scale factor of k, P prime would be located at the scale factor times the x value, and that would be our new x value, and then the scale factor times the y value of P, and that would give us our new y value for P prime. So here, we're going to graph triangle ABC with vertices at 2, 1, 4, 1, and 4, -1. Now we're going to do this, we're going to dilate this image with a scale factor of 2, which means that our k value is 2. So this should be an enlargement because our k value is larger than the number 1. So if we use our rule, again here we have A, B, and C. So 2, 1, 4, 1, and 4, -1. We're supposed to take each of those and times them by 2. So here we're going to have, for our A prime, 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2. That's our new A prime. Our B prime, 4 times 2 is 8, and 2 times 1 is 2. And our C prime, 4 times 2 is 8, and -1 times 2 is -2. And that should give us our A prime, B prime, C prime. So let's graph that. So here we have 4, 2, and that's our new A prime. We have 8, 2, and that is our B prime. And then we have 8, -2, and that is our C prime. And we've just enlarged triangle ABC by a factor of 2 and created A prime, B prime, C prime. Well, there's another way to think of this problem as well. So let's go back and let's think, if we're moving from the origin to each point, let's think about the slope that we're using. So to get to A, I'm going to go up 1 and over 2. Okay, so the slope for A, was up 1 over 2. And now I'm going to take each of those and I'm going to multiply them by the scale factor of 2. So now I'm going to move up 2, hang on a second. I'm going to move up 2 over 4. So up 2 over 4 puts our new A prime value at 4, 2, which is what we got last time. So let's think of what we get when we find the slope for our B. So the slope for B, we're going to go up 1 and over 4. So up 1 over 4. And again, we're going to multiply those each by the scale factor of 2. So now we're going to move up 2 and over 8. So let's see what that does for us. Up 2 and over 8. And that is our new B prime. So B prime is located at 8, 2, which is what we got last time. So let's look at the slope as we move from the 0, 0 to C. So here we're going to go down 1 and over 4. So the slope for point C is to go down 1 and over 4. So again, we're going to multiply each of those by our scale factor of 2. So we're going to go down 2 over 8. So down 2 over 8, that's our new C prime, which is at 8, -2, which is the same coordinates we got last time. So here we've also enlarged triangle ABC to A prime, B prime, C prime, using a different method. Either method is fine. It's really just what you understand the best.